Welcome back. A selfless act made a huge difference in the community when writer and producer Andrew Vawser, an executive director of the Conquest of the Snake documentary, gave all the net proceeds to schools and libraries in the Magic Valley. Our Shirley Busico spoke with the principal and music teacher from Immanuel Lutheran School, and they say the money couldn't have come at a better time.
Immanuel Lutheran School applied for a grant last year when they heard writer and producer Andrew Vawser and executive director of the Conquest of the Snake documentary would be giving away the DVD's net proceeds to schools and libraries in the Magic Valley.
We have a really good music program, but we were lacking some instruments.
They knew if they were chosen, the money would go toward new music supplies. In 2018, Immanuel Lutheran School received a grant total of $3,500. With the money, they got what they've always wanted.
We were able to use the funds to purchase 25 ukuleles, a classroom set of ukuleles, and a world drumming set.
These drumming set includes
djembes and tubanos and hand drums, a gathering drum, so that the kids can learn about drumming around the world.
Laurel Gibson, the music teacher at Immanuel Lutheran School, says the timing of the grant money was perfect, considering they were already looking to expand their music program.
We were able to add a lot of new, broaden the dimension of our musical program with the funds from the grant.
As far as the kids go,
they love them. They want to play them every time they come into music.
Shirley Busico, KNVT News.